we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
The easiest way to decorate our home balcony is to add a few plants for fresh air and a pop of color. I took this part too seriously and added up plenty of plants to later realizing our balcony started looking like a jungle. That's when I decided to do a makeover for our balcony this new year. So the very first thing we did was to remove all pots and plants and do a cleanup.
We got it. We don't need no more. Even in the
Our granite slab had become so dirty and the marks were not removable using normal cleaners. Finally, we ended up doing an acid wash to get rid of the stains and marks.
hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
The next day, we started keeping back the pots and plants on the granite slab. We use these parcel boxes lids as the pot base so that the base part remains clean while watering plants. We also made sure to rearrange the pots and plants in such a way that it doesn't look so cluttered.
The future is bright.
This time we decided not to keep plants on the slab entirely and divided the area so that one corner can be added up as a sitting corner. Now, to beautify the sitting area, our idea was to use artificial grass. So we went to a nearby shop to purchase the same.
In the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
There were many options to choose from and the price varies based on the grass thickness and density. After checking the options, we finalized to buy 60 mm high density grass for Rs 110 per square feet.
You and I, we got it.
After reaching home, we took the measurement of the area and cut the grass accordingly for the placement.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
One of my friends gave these medicine bottles to do some DIYs. These were plain dark green bottles. I dabbed some white paint on that and then tied jute rope at the top, using one wooden stick to hang the bottles.
That's crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Afterwards, I placed a couple of plants and this Buddha statue on the plant stand. If you had seen our living room tour video, you would have seen this Buddha statue over there.
Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before sleep, hear the crickets see.
We bought a couple of items from Amazon for decorating the balcony.
And through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
String lights addition made the balcony look cozy and vibrant. All the product links will be provided in the description for you to check.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
This cozy corner at our balcony is now the favorite spot of everyone. We spent good quality family time here, and I think this balcony makeover was the best gift we gave to ourselves this new year.
Birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight.
How did you guys like this makeover? Do post your valuable feedback in the comment section below. I would be eagerly waiting to hear your comments. Also, I really hope that this video gave you some useful tips in doing a makeover for your balcony as well. So please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and do not forget to click that subscribe button for more useful content. I'll see you soon with another video. You guys take care and stay safe. Bye.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.